Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today we have a wonderful Christmas collaboration with Debbie Esplin from WSP Food, Sandy's from my Ajji's Kitchen. I love and admire these ladies so very much, so please be sure to check them out, say hello, and always give us that like button and share and also subscribe. You all know the routine already. So please be sure to watch all the way to the end since we do have a full and packed menu. And so as I did this collaboration, it was supposed to be something that you love or it's your favorite for the holidays. And honestly, I don't have a favorite. 1/4 garlic. I put some black pepper in there too. I'm not really picky. And so this time around I decided, okay, well what do I want to do? So I decided to make myself a menu. I always cook for my family. And so I decided, okay, what would your menu be if you can only worry about your taste buds and your likings? And this is what I came up with. I can just smell it. It smells really, really good. That was perfect. If you're going to add more sugar or keep it on the sweet side, go ahead. Put maybe another tablespoon of sugar or maybe another tablespoon of honey. Try as you go. I was initially wanted to add more, but then when I tasted it, that it settled in, I think it was perfect. That little pepper in the back is so wonderful and delicious and warm, not overpowering and spicy hot. Save these for the days I'm not feeling well or the days I feel like having a soup but don't feel like quite making it, and they'll be ready for me to go whenever I am ready. It seems that we just needed 3 of these, so you can probably double this up. So these are 16 ounces each. Now I am so excited to share with you all my holiday sofrito. I came up with a very similar one for Thanksgiving. I will find the other recipe and I will share with you all eventually. But I think this is an excellent way to have ready to go for the holidays. Sofrito is something that a lot of Puerto Ricans or Latin dishes use like a sauce and herbs kind of ready to go. I'll link my sofrito videos below. So this is what I came up with and created, and let me tell you, it was so easy just to have to chop everything up all the time. I had it my blends ready to go, took it, drop it, and cooked and went with it. So I highly recommend my holiday sofrito, and I hope you all enjoy.
Calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
So for my Christmas menu, I wanted to make my Cornish hens. I think Cornish hens are so cute and very lovely to present during a special holiday meal. My husband will eat Cornish hens, but he is not a big fan. He gets weirded out by the size and everything like that. But the flavoring is very delicious and cute and good, and it cooks fast. So I figured instead of making a big turkey, or in my culture, big pernil, something kind of quick and small that could be so cute and cooked in no time, I did Cornish hens. And so I seasoned it the way that I did, and I hope you guys all enjoy.
5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge.
I've seen Cornish hen go for $3 to $4 per Cornish hen to $10 to $13 per 2. So it depends on the name brand and how much they actually weigh. What does your Christmas or holiday menu look like? Tell me where you're going to have. Let me know in the comments below.
In a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10.
Now, I came up with my holiday rice, not because it's my favorite, not because I always make it, but I always see these wild rice cooked for the holidays on Food Network and the television and stuff, and so I wanted to try my own. This is the first time I've ever made wild rice that was what I think or my take on Christmas. I had a lot of fruits, which I never ever done in any of my rice. I added dried fruits that represented Christmas to me. I made this the first time and I thought it was absolutely delicious. The only thing is I would need a little bit more salt. The first time I had it, it tasted wonderful. But then the next day, as all the food sat together, there was a little bit of sweetness. So I did add just a little bit of more salt to it. So again, you have to go by your taste buds. I was very pleased with my holiday rice, making it the first time. And I think it was just very beautiful to have. I like that little crunch from the pistachios, the dried fruits, and the seasonings. As always, make it your own. And if you don't have all the ingredients, just do the best you can with what you have. I hope you all enjoy. So I am super excited to share with you my Nutty Christmas Brussels sprouts. Growing up, I never ever had Brussels sprouts. I didn't learn about it, didn't even know they existed until I actually was watching the Food Network. And so one time I decided to do it. The first time I ever tried it, my family did not care for it. And then the second time around, my daughter absolutely loved it. She used to just actually eat it from like the bag. Like we used to just steam them and she would just eat them like little candy or apples. She actually wanted them plain without any flavoring or seasoning. Now it depends on her mood. But this particular Brussels sprout I really enjoyed and love. Usually when I make Brussels sprouts, I use, onions, garlic, pepper, and bacon with chicken broth. But this one was actually really delicious. And the pomegranates were a very delicious taste that I was not expecting. I thought that it looked like very much like a Christmas decoration with the green and the red. As always, make your own. I think this might be my new favorite way to make Brussels sprouts, with or without the pomegranate, but it was very delicious, very satisfying, and I can eat Brussels sprouts like this all day. So I hope you enjoy my version. As always, make your own, and Merry Christmas.